Hello everyone, welcome to second video of playlist AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate 2022. So in this video we are going to talk about domain 1, that is design a resilient architecture, which is 30% weightage of the exam, and this domain consists of multiple topics. So we are going to talk about design a multi-tier architecture solution. So how you can design a multi-tier architecture, so you need to figure out the way. So this also have some uh, subdomains. For example, determine a solution strategy based on access patterns. So based on the access pattern, you need to define the strategy which you are going to use, how your application is being accessed, how many users are going to access your application. All right. And the second, determine a scaling strategy of component used in design. So for example, you are running a 3-tier web service that consists of a database and web server and load balancer. So in this way, how you can design your strategy. So what you can do, uh, if you want to scale your component of your application, you need to know about how auto scaling works, uh, whether in terms of database specific auto scaling or web servers specific auto scaling. So you need to know about those services. Later we'll cover in depth. This is just an overview. Select an appropriate database based on requirement. So you need to figure out the best appropriate database for your use case. For example, if you need a database like relational database, in that case you can go for RDS, you can go for Aurora based on the requirement, and you can go for if it is like NoSQL related application, in that case you can go for uh, AWS services like DynamoDB, and there are multiple offerings. So you need to figure out which one is more specific to you in your use case, which is the best fit application or best fit service for your application. And in the fourth part, select an appropriate compute and storage service based on requirement. So in compute, you have multiple services like EC2 or Lambda, right? Or container based service like Elastic Container or Elastic Kubernetes service. Or in storage, there are multiple storage services you have in AWS. For example, EBS volumes or S3 if you are storing object based data, so you can store in S3. And then you have large data set store options. uh, yeah, so there are plenty of services. Based on the requirement, you need to choose the appropriate one. So in this domain, the exam asks for the approach that you're going to follow, the solution that you're going to propose, which service you're going to pick, and the pool of the services. Okay. So in coming video, we are going to go into the detail of each service. All right. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.